Hello and welcome to Diggin SoCal. I am back at the beach, returning to the same beach where I found the silver dimes, but I'm going to start further north and hunt that area because we got a low tide coming in around noon and it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning now, so should be a good day. I'll be out here till at least 2 or 3 and hopefully have some great finds. Poor Christine, she's working 9 days in a row. She's got 2 more days to go, then we'll get out hunting hopefully Friday for our Saturday video, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be exciting. Get her out there and let her find some treasure. Anyway, I'm gonna load up and get out here and do some hunting, so wish me luck. All right, here comes the sun. Warm me up. I am wearing a headset today, so might talk a little loud. Got a 25 right here along the bottom of this cut. Try to do this without getting myself all wet today. Take a couple of scoops out. See if I got it. Yeah, it's in there. All right, so my GoPro's acting up. It turned itself off, but I should have a target in here. Shows right here. There we go. Looks like a crusty penny. Yeah, more than likely. I don't know. Wait, no, it's a dime. It's awfully shiny. I'll have to check it out a little closer later. See what the date is. Little guys running here on the beach. Cute. All right, I just got a 29 over there in that hole that just got buried. Should be in this pile. Yep, I can hear it. I got headsets on, like I said earlier. All right, let's see if I can find it. Yep, there it is. Hold on a sec here. Looks like a penny. All right, I'm getting a nice high tone right here. See if I can find it. Back out of there. Sneaky little waves. See if I got it or not. I think it's probably still there. All right, let me work on it. I'll get back to you. All right, good thing I moved back because that wave came in. But I have it in this pile here. There it is. Quarter. Yep. All right, I took a little bit of a break, went back to the truck. I was gonna put on my waders, but it's warming up, so I think I get too hot. But in the parking lot, of all things, I found this earring, and this was bent down, so you can see it's all gouged up, so it's probably been ran over. Funny thing is, it's stamped S925, so I got silver even though I didn't get it with the metal detector. That's pretty cool. Got an earring in the parking lot. Nice. I just had a number 8 on the Equinox down there, and I ran up here. And I just found it. Oh my goodness. Look at that right here. I got a ring. Wow. Let's see markings yet. Looks like a bunch of moons and stars maybe. All right. Like I said, I don't see no markings. It's probably stainless or something. Very cool. Not too bad. I'm about 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours into the hunt. Got my ring. Very cool. Got a 1920 right here. Probably a penny. Kind of missed it. I have it. And I definitely have it. There it is. All right, getting a 18 right here, shallow. Don't think it was very deep. Nope. Yes. Damaged penny. That one is tore up. I just dug out there close to where the waves are ending. I got this. Not really sure. It looks like it might have been a piece of jewelry. Look at the shiny right there. Looks like it might have been part of a ring even. Can't really tell. Huh. Almost couldn't find it. Pretty cool. It's a gorgeous day out. A lot different than the other day. I'm getting a really solid signal right here. Loud in my ears. Still getting a signal, but I might have more than one. We'll see. Got that. Let's just dump this right here. See if I can find it now. So the GoPro has not been on its A game today, so it died on me. There we go. What do we have here? Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that. I got a key. It's a pretty nice keychain. A little corroded. It's been there a while. Good tumbling might get that stuff off. Wow. All right, I had a nice 24 right there, and I dumped it out here, and it looks like I have another silver dime. It's a rosy, it's pretty worn out. It's got that same coloring. Look at that. You can see the silver coming through if I rub it. It's already pretty thin, so I'm not really worried about damaging it, but that is Definitely silver. Very cool. I did it. Another silver dime. Well, I had about a 5-minute dig over here out in the water. I dumped it here and couldn't find it. It's right here. Not sure what it's going to be, but look at that shine. The 2 spots right there. I will have to clean that up and see what it is. It's just a hunk of metal at this point, but that looks pretty shiny. Stay back, waves. All right, got a 12 here. I've been pulling up a lot of aluminum right now. Big chunks of it. Small, tiny pieces of it, you name it. Little metal turds. All right. Should have it in there. Yep. What's a 12 gonna give me today? There it is. A nickel. Pretty worn out. All right. All right, I just pulled the 15 out of there, and I got another key. That's a hotel key. 317. If that's your room, I got your key. I just got a beaver tail out there, and 15, 16 right here. Let's see what we got this time. I got it. Ooh. Sure it's windy out here. Hopefully it's not too loud. Yeah, I got it in a spot there. Put that down. Put that down. Wow. Look at that penny. Well, I had a one right there, and it turned out to be more silverware pieces. Look at that one. Dang. Real low number. I'll just keep it folded. That's how it was. Crazy. Well, that was a lot of work. Finally got it out. The orange part was stuck in the sand way down there. Wow. Pretty cool. I guess that's a tent stake. Daddy of them all. All right, I just dug a 30 out of that hole. Hopefully, should have it here. Gosh, this, oh, what is that? It's a little different. What we got here? Hot stuff. Yes, I am. Okay. That's a little different. I thought it could be another chunk of aluminum. Cool. Well, it's really windy out here, sorry. It doesn't get much easier than this. That is obviously a fresh drop. Earring. All right, that's pretty cool. I am working my way back to the truck already. It has been a long day already. All right, I made it back, so let's do this wrap up. Ice cream cone. Surface find, obviously, it's plastic. This is quite the tent stake here. Man, that thing's heavy duty. Got one other one here. That's 2 tent stakes. Got a piece of silverware. only one bottle cap. A fishing weight, a little bit of wire, a couple of beaver tails, one pull tab, one zipper pull. I got 2 keys and then a part of a key. That looks like a Ford key there. This is what really created a lot of problems here. This is aluminum. There's just so much of it. It was really stirred up. That was a lot of work getting those out because those targets come in so good. They're like silver or 17s, could be jewelry, so you can't pass them up. Especially stuff like this. This comes in so strong. Man, it was crazy. And a lot of other pieces here. This looks like a hood to a car. Then this looks like the Corvette back end. And they were not found together. They're totally away from each other. And then I got a few other pieces of metal, a wing nut, just all kinds of crazy stuff. Bobby pins, some other junk. One piece of sea glass. And then my best find is actually this. And that was in the parking lot, which is all you can see it's damaged. But it is marked 925S or S925. That's pretty crazy. One loop earring. I did get a ring. I'm sure it's stainless. It's so I use a magnet on it. It does stick to the magnet. It's a nice little ring. Keep those rings a coming. This is an interesting thing. I'm not sure. This is probably off of something, clothing or whatever. Hot stuff. And then I think this is part of a broken ring here. And then here is the silver dime. It's too worn out to get a date off of. And it's pretty thin now, as you can see. That was cool. Keep the silver coming. And then the rest of the change is just really beat up for the most part. You got the quarters. You got nickels. I'm not even sure what this one is. I'm guessing it's a nickel. You can't read it. Nickels, and then I got the dimes. Really good dimes right there. And then lots of pennies. They're in all sorts of condition. Some of these things are just amazing. What happens to these zinc pennies. But it wasn't a bad hunt. Had a lot of fun. Worked really, really hard. And there you have it. So hopefully, Christina and I'll get out Friday and hunt for Saturday's video. If not, we'll go live on Saturday if we don't get a chance to hunt Friday. So looking forward to that, getting her back out there. I know she's going through withdrawals. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.